Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. I will be your host on this adventure through this new video. Before we get started, big shout out to our 20,000 subscribers on the Rideshare Hub channel. Give it up for yourselves, pat yourselves on the back, big hug, write yourself a nice letter because you're awesome. If you're new to our channel, feel free to hit subscribe now. You're going to get great updates coming straight to your phone when we come out with incredible, tantalizing, sweet, succulent new content. You'll be able to check it out. All right. Also, before we get started, I want to help you save some money on your gasoline. All you need to do is go into the video description below. There's a link there for the Get Upside app. Download that. Use our sign-up code. You're going to save 15 cents back per gallon in your initial fill-up, and then you will continue to save with all of your gasoline fill-ups at participating gas stations in your area as long as you continue to use the app. You can't beat that. Just save that money. Put it in a piggy bank and buy yourself 10 Snickers bars, but don't eat them all at once. All right. Hey, so great video for you guys today. We're going to take it back. We're taking it back in time to when I was just a young pup, fresh new rideshare driver using Lyft, and we're going to break down 2 weeks of my earnings breakdown while I was driving in LA. That's right, the beast of the city that is Los Angeles. Let's get right to it. Are you ready? I think I'm ready. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, so here we go. First of all, taking a look at this here, and you can see I gave 46 rides, and already red flag for me right here. My online time was 1 day and 8 hours, 32 hours of online time, and only 15 hours of book time. So right away that tells me that I was driving around looking for rides, wasting gas. I was driving at the wrong time and the wrong places. I was probably sitting in the airport queue, wasting my life away. Should have been reading books, but I probably wasn't. So, basically that tells me that I was not an efficient driver right away to start with. All right, let's scroll down here. We'll take a look and see what we got going on. Okay, well, we'll kick it off with Monday here. We see that I gave 6 rides for $90.27. Started off 9:30 in the morning, short ride, another short ride, continuing along with the short rides, got my first tip, $2 tip, cha-ching, and then, look at this, 3:15 p.m., things were looking up. A 61.69 mile drive that paid $60.35, took an hour and a half. This is fantastic. This just proves my point that mileage is king. My drivers, my veteran drivers out there already know this. If you're driving in LA and California, the breakdown is about $1 a mile that you'll make. So there you go. So we want more miles, right? One ride that we can go for a lot longer, make that money rather than a lot of stopping and starting short rides. So, on that note, what your homework is, it is to get in the scheduled pickup area of your app and be checking that, especially I would say like Sunday nights, Monday nights. You got a lot of business people headed to the airport, or maybe like Fridays, they're heading back out of town. Friday night, Saturday, I don't know. I have a lot of success Sunday night especially doing that with scheduled pickups. Just got to keep refreshing it, but you can find those longer mileage rides, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, so there we go. 6 rides and $90 to kick off that week. All right, let's see what else we got going on. We'll wait for the load. Thank you. Okay, so Wednesday, 4 rides, $19.82. Nothing too exciting there. Thursday, 4 rides for $31.86. Uh-oh, look at this, though. Friday, 8 rides for $271.57. Tell me more about that, please. Excuse me, I got some stuff going on in here. All right. A little misleading, we see. So I had a $200 driver referral bonus, which leads me to this point. If you have not started driving yet for Uber or Lyft and you would like to, then go in the video description below as well. There are links there you can click on for both Uber and Lyft. Get signed up. You will get sign-on bonuses and make extra cash to start driving. Never sign up for either without a referral. It's just a waste of money. But once you are a driver, you'll have your own referral code. And I've seen drivers put that on like laminated pieces of paper in their vehicle. If you're interested in driving, use this referral code, get X amount of dollars to sign up now. I've also seen business cards. Those are pretty cool, more efficient, right? You can take those, hand them out to people. But I don't know if the referral code ever changes. Not sure on that. But I do know that the incentive of how much you'll make if you sign up, that always changes. They're always doing different promos with that. So you'll just have to be careful what information you put on business cards if you go that route. Anyway, here I referred a driver, got $200 extra. Sweet. So let's get back to the breakdown of the ride. So started driving at 11:30 at night, late night. Short ride, but I got a tip. Also, we can see that tipping is more prominent on the weekends than it is the weekdays. Short ride, $1 tip. Another short ride, $2 tip. No show, $9, $5. Finally, $18. Not a lot of excitement going on here. So I drove from 11:30 p.m. until 3 in the morning. So 3.5 hours. And off of my rides, I made $71.57. So you might look at that and think that's not terrible, given it's 3.5 hours of work. But for a Friday night, that is pretty lousy, actually. Should be doing a lot better than that. So clearly, I didn't get any primetime rides there, so I was not driving in the right areas for a Friday night. Let's take a look at Saturday night, shall we? 18 rides, $124.97. Already, that seems like a red flag to me because 18 rides on a Saturday night should equal more than $125. Started at noon, short ride, took a break until dinner time. Next ride, not until 6:45 p.m., another short ride, again a short ride. Finally got a tip there, $8 ride, a lot of little rides. Hey, this kind of saved me. 8:30, I got a $15 tip. Must have had a really nice smelling car. Maybe I smelled good or I told a funny joke. Who knows? Maybe they liked my music. Boy, okay, so continuing on, still a lot of short rides. Now, okay, when I start to see like 1:30 in the morning and we start to get around bar closing time on a Saturday, that's when I would expect to see primetime rides. If you're really being an efficient driver, if you watch some of our other videos and know where and when to drive, anything around 1 o'clock, 1:30 and after for sure should be primetime rides if you're in the right areas. Clearly not for me. 2:30 in the morning, $11.74 on a 9-mile drive. So I drove all the way. You guys see this? I drove all the way until 5 a.m. Holy moly, holy buckets. So not counting that first ride at noon, 6:45 till 5 in the morning, so we'll say 7. So that's over 10 hours of driving. Holy cow. Over 10 hours of driving, and I came away with basically $125 before expenses. That is garbage. Really bad. Really bad. But that's not as much a testament to what's going to happen in LA as much as it was I was an inexperienced driver. Okay, So let's click back here. We'll get the whole weekly breakdown, and then we'll go on to another week. So I finished off that day with $51, or that week on Sunday with $51.35, and pause momentarily because my screen recorder went to sleep. And we need that for sure. Still going. Good. Okay, so the whole breakdown, $665 really was saved by that $200 driver referral. Here you go. There's the full breakdown. There was a little prime time there, $22, but for driving Friday and Saturday nights, that's pretty poor on my part. $43 in tips, a $5 cancel earning. You see the Lyft fees taken out there. Incentive guarantees, that's not a thing anymore. We won't even get into that. And then the power driver bonus. Okay, there you go. So that's the first week I wanted to take a look at with all you guys. Now let's take a look at here. Let's go. We're gonna go to this week right here. And what do we got? So 26 rides, much better already. 12 hours and 47 minutes of online time and 10 hours and 40 minutes of book time. So just 2 hours of me wasting my life waiting, basically, instead of so much more. All right, scroll on down. Oh, look at this. Wait a second. 26 rides in 2 days. I used to do a lot of Friday and Saturday night driving in LA, so if anyone knows what it's all about, this guy does. And it's not always pretty, but you can make a lot of money. Let's take a look at this Friday. $234 on 10 rides? Say what? Say what? That can't be right. Can that be right? Okay, started driving at 6:14 p.m. Well, I already see a lot more tips just by glancing at it, so that proves a point. Friday and Saturday nights, great for tips. 6:14 p.m., nothing special there. Ooh, look at this. 53-mile ride for $54. There it is, mileage again. That would have been someone going down to Orange County probably. And I am guessing, yeah, check this out. Okay, so that's sweet. We'll keep going here. $4 ride, $5 ride. Look at this. $49 ride. So I think what happened is I went down to Orange County, got another ride, took me back up to LA, and then I was up there, shared 2 rides, okay, another short ride at 12:30, but then look at this, yeah, baby, 1:48 a.m., 25-mile ride, and I made $63.67, which means I finally I was in the right place at the right time, hit prime time. That is why prime time is so vitally important, you guys. Normally that'd be a $25 ride. Triple it. No, not quite. Almost triple it. $63.67. So that's why it's so important to be an efficient driver rather than just doing a ton of rides. Had a cancellation, and then boom, another primetime ride right around 3 a.m. 13.5-mile ride that paid me $26. So that is a good day. These are great contrast weeks right here. $234 I made. Rides, you see, $230. Prime time, $68.75. That's what I'm talking about. Tips only $5. Really? It's a lot of small tips, I guess. Stingy people that night. Oh well, that's okay. I'm not complaining. All right, you guys. So there you go. That's great. Let's go back. Let's check out the Saturday from this week to wrap up these earnings. Saturday, 16 rides, $1.27. So definitely not as good. More curious in how much time I spend driving. All right, so we'll slide on down here. Whoa, okay. Started driving at 6:30 p.m. $5 tip. Oh, nice. Another $5 tip on a short ride. $6. Another $2 tip. Zero. Okay, some short rides, some medium rides. Boy, I did a lot of rides here. So you see how much it kind of sucks if you're doing all those short rides. I mean, the tips are great, so that's the advantageous part about driving, again, Friday, Saturday. A lot more tips. People are out already. They're expecting to spend money. If they're drinking, the money flows a little more easily, so I've found. But dang, I kept this thing going until... So here we go. Look, 2 a.m., only $3.75. So that's my bad, because if it's 2 a.m., and you're heading to an area where it's going to be prime time and you get a ride request, cancel that. Just cancel it until you get into the area that's prime time. And because you can make more money. Here I did get one. Look at this. Yes, 2.1 miles. Is that right? At 3 a.m. and it paid $11.25. So unfortunately it wasn't a longer ride, but that is a prime time ride for sure. And yeah, there you go. So... that's, how long did I drive for? 3:30, started at 6:30, kind of took a break around after 7, it looks like. So 10 to 3, 5, 6-ish hours. Okay, decent, could be better. Again, prime time, so important, driving on the weekends. So we'll go back, take a final look at this week here, and okay, so 26 rides, right, 10 hours, and 361 total in 10 hours. So before expenses, that's almost $30 an hour driving 2 nights, so that's good to see. And I didn't even do as well as I could do. Anyway, you guys, there you go. There are the 2-week breakdowns for you, 2 weeks of earnings. I'm going to turn off my screen recording here. And so a couple things to take away. Do your homework on where and when to drive in LA, because especially if you're going to be driving weekend nights where the big money is, you want to be in places, the clubs, Hollywood, places where people are going to be out until 2 a.m. Get those surging rides. Cancel anything that's not, or prime time, excuse me, with Lyft. Cancel anything that's not prime time. Get to those prime time areas. Make that big money. Be an efficient driver. We want to see you do your best out there. If you guys have thoughts, feedback, comments on this, driving in LA, please jump down in the comment section below. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. You guys are the bee's knees. Don't forget it. All right, everybody, until the next time, drive safe out there.